Good afternoon, my dear students. In this video, we will discuss about how to submit the test form, how to submit the test pick of answers using WhatsApp option. Okay, so students have two options. We will send the question paper pick in WhatsApp. Okay, and Google form. So you have two options. Those are successful to submit the test in a Google form, that is okay, and those are facing problems regarding that, they need to do the test in the test notebook of history civics. Okay, in the notebook you have to mention the date on the top like this. In neat writing you have to mention the date. Okay, tomorrow's date, test date, you have to mention on the top, then your name in capitals like this, then your class. Okay, mention your class here. Then next, subject, you have to mention your subject. Okay, in this corner you have to mention the time, and that is 30 minutes time, start timing and closing time of your test, 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So these particulars you have to fill, you have to write in the test notebook of history civics. Is it okay? Then we will send the WhatsApp pick of questions in the WhatsApp group of your class. So you have to take the reading of questions and you have to fill the answers here in your notebook. You have to just write the answers. Okay, for example, I am taking the questions from your book for your guidance, just for you trial. Okay, so first, here is the question: circle the correct answers. So two options are there. Gram Sabha Zila Parishad is formed in villages that have a population of 500 or more. So best option answer is Gram Sabha. Here in the test notebook, test page, you have to write answer 1, Gram Sabha. Okay, next question is a municipality. Block Samiti is the link between Gram Panchayats and Zila Parishad. Now best option is Block Samiti. Answer is Block Samiti 2. So second answer is Block Samiti, you have to write here. Okay, in this way you can take the reading of your question pick and you can write the answers. Just number 1 answer, number 2 answer. Just you have to write the answers in your test notebook, and after writing all the answers you have to take the clear pic of your test page and submit to the teacher. In this way you can attempt your test of history civics and submit to the teacher.